All right, this is a project I really wanted to see the finish. This is the Globus way, what I'm talking about here. Obviously, a little dirty there and here, but check this out. Let's pause here. This is a 7-foot wall, fence, privacy fence, with a look of gaps, but there is no gap. So the neighbors can't really see you there. And the beauty about this, it's a 7-foot vertical. So it gives you that super sleek, modern look that a composite finish won't give you because this is pure aluminum, so it's machine grade, right? So everything is cut precise, tongue and groove is precise, everything's 100% level. It's 6063 T6, so you know it's going to be very, very strong against wind. Now, compared to composite, composite will fade very fast, about 50 times more than aluminum, barely fading. And aluminum is going to be fire resistant, composite won't, and composite is going to release toxic that you can smell it when you put turf down. That smell is possibly chemical plastic smell. So the same thing with composite, it contains wood, it contains plastic. You want to go aluminum if you're able to get a vendor like Globus Gates. Now check this out. Let's continue here so we can talk about this more. There is very, very nice vertical and clean look. And let's round back for a second so you can see what I'm talking about. Here we're starting the installation. You put our verticals, our horizontal lines. By the way, guys, you can buy the parts and do it yourself if you would like. It's very easy install. If you have an existing wall, this is why it's so special, right? You're not going to demo the wall. You're not going to demo that ugly lattice there. Some people like it. I don't. It doesn't give any privacy. It puts more fire concerning. I don't like it. And it's usually wobbly the whole way. So we put that with anchors, anchor bolts into concrete. Now your neighbor is not getting any effect other than a free wall topper. And his backside looks pretty nice, right? And he can paint it if he wants to. Now, we're going to install those L pieces on top. That's going to give you that frame look. And the pieces connect tongue and groove. So you put the first piece in, and the second piece in is going to just snap in and vice versa as you go. Obviously, you're screwing them 1, 2, 3. That's the Globus way, making it an efficient system that creates a beautiful finish as you just saw. We'll wind there. And this is how they go step by step here. Within minutes, the wall is up. It's a 6063 T6, as we said, powder coated AAMA 2604. That's the powder coating you want. Remember, guys, if you can't see the quality, how can you trust the product? So with Globus, we show you our factories, we show you our powder coating finishes, we show you our installation assemblies and all that, so you as a consumer or contractor can really get the confidence what you're getting and what you're buying from the right place. This is it, guys. This is the final result. He's basically hammering down our L piece top there, and it's going to start level everything up at the top there. So it's going to snap in. It's going to help you level everything up. And obviously, we got to go and clean. Now, this is efficient, right? We didn't demo the wall. We didn't demo the lattice. So this saves you quite a bit of money and time and speed. And also, you know that this fence is not going anywhere. It's very light. It's aluminum. And it's attaching into a block wall, which can take way more load than this. And we can anchor our post at the bottom if needed for more support. Sometimes we do that. We'll anchor the post and the bottom, or we'll even put a concrete footing post right in front of the wall. Depends how old the wall is. So there's your finish line. You can see here we already have the trim finish clicked on. Here we actually came back and did this entire piece because some wood was sticking out there. So this is clad 120. It gives you a look that you're not going to see every day on your neighbor's fence, or probably you're never going to see this. Some neighbors try to create this with composite. I'm not a fan. Composite can bend, can swell, can move with the heat. Aluminum is very tough and can get to very, very high degrees with no problem whatsoever, like a hood of your car or any car parts where there's aluminum, it gets very hot. So we install these in Arizona and many, many hot more places in California. We ship nationwide. So if you're looking to do this project um, and you want to just do it at your own installation crew, with your own installation crew. So you are able to buy the parts from us and assemble it. We can help you get all the knowledge you need, or even tie you with an installer. So there you go. Globus Gates here, checking out. This is a fairly simple install. It's a 2-day install, very quick, very easy. Looks fantastic. It's very easy to install with very minimum knowledge. Now, this is also can be used to clad your ceiling, your soffits, your walls. It's a great system by Globus, and the tongue and groove is it's pretty intelligent, very smart. It clicks in very tight. I can get another piece here. So the tongue is gonna connect into the groove. As you can, I know it's a little small there to see. We do have a couple more jobs coming that we're going to show you how we install it from A to Z. Or you can go in our wholesale division and you'll see videos of A to Z how to install. But there is another this is another beautiful way to hide a wall, hide a wood lattice efficiently, beautiful finish, and using aluminum, so you're not going to have any rusting whatsoever. So that's the result by Globus Skates. See you guys on your next project. Checking out.